Good morning, students. Let me continue the arithmetic progression. So, in the arithmetic progression, if the given numbers are in a pattern, so you can see when you find the common difference between the given sum, given sequence, then you can say if the common difference is same, then you can say they are in AP. If the common difference is different, they are not in AP. That we have already done. And we also find out whether the given sequence is in AP or not. And we know what is A and what is D. Isn't it? How to find out. That we have done. So now, let me move on to the statement given. In which of the following situation does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression? So, whether it is an arithmetic progression or not, why you must take. The taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer. So, some fellow, he has taken a taxi, okay. He has taken a taxi. So, when he wants to move the first kilometer, so if I consider this is 1 kilometer, the first kilometer, the fare was rupees 50 and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So, in the second, rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So, when 2 kilometers come, rupees 8 should be additional. Additional means it should be added. So, what is 15 plus 8? Yes, it is 23. Again, in each kilometer, next if he wants to move to the third kilometer, again an additional of rupees 8. So, here he has given. So, you try to understand the statement properly. Then only you can say. The taxi fare after each kilometer. So, after each kilometer, when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer, so it is rupees 15, and after each kilometer, the fare is rupees 8 for each additional kilometers. Additional means if it is 1 kilometer 15 plus 1, that is 2 kilometers, it is how much? 3 kilometers, it is how much? 4 kilometers, it is how much? Okay. So, 2 kilometer rupees 8 is added. So, 15 plus 8 is 23. 3 kilometer it should be added. Again 23 plus 8, 31. Again 4th kilometer, rupees 8. 31 plus 8, 39. So, you are adding here. How much? 8. So, the difference is always 8, isn't it? So, the difference is always 8. So, that means the given sequence is first one it is 15. After rupees 8 is added, it is 23. Again 8 is added, it is 31. Again 8 is added, it is 39. Again 8 is added, it is 47. It goes on. So, the first time the fare is rupees 15. The second time the fare is A1 plus the difference, that is 15 plus 8, 23. Then in the third one, again A2 plus the common difference is 8. Again each this thing is adding additional kilometer, rupees 8 should be added. So the next kilometer it is 23 plus 8. 31, isn't it? So, here A is given and D, the common is also given as 8. So, when you see the sequence, A is 15, the first term, what is D? Yes, second term minus first term, third term minus second term, fourth term minus third term, isn't it? It goes on like that. Okay, so what is the second term? It is 23 minus 15. in AP. Why means the difference, common difference is same. Okay, understood now? So understand the statement first, then only you can answer it. So in the first kilometer, the car travels at rupees 15 per kilometer, and every additional kilometer rupees 8 to be included. So 15 plus 8, 23. 23 plus 8, 31. 31 plus 8, 39. From there itself you know the difference is 8. So it is in AP because the common difference is same. Okay. See, it is given. What is given? The amount of air present in the cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air containing in the cylinder at a time. So, if I consider the amount of air present in the cylinder in the first time is X, then each time, that means in continuous, each time the pump removes 1/4 of the air containing in the cylinder. So whatever is left in the cylinder, in that 1/4. So if I consider the cylinder has got some 800. Let us consider the amount of air present in the cylinder when a vacuum pump is 800. Let us consider. So here X is 800. In the each time it removes how much? 1/4 of the air containing in the cylinder. So in the second time it removes. So already it has got 800. In that it removes 1/4 of 800. It removes 1/4 of 800. What is 1/4 of 800? 200. So in the second time you will have 800 minus 200, that is 600. Okay. In the third time, so I should consider this one, amount of air present in that. So that is 600. In that again 1/4 of 600. So again you can say 4 1 is a 4, 4 5 is a 20. So 600 minus 150. So it goes on like that. Okay. So you can say 450. So see the difference, 800, 600, this is 200. And what about this? 150. The 600 minus 450 is 150. Are they same the difference? No. So that means you can say it is not an AP. So just I have given this as an example. Let me consider first. Let me consider the amount of air present in the cylinder. Let it be X. Some X units. So this is the first one. So you can consider this is A1 or A, anything else. Okay, first time. The second time, amount of air present in the cylinder after removing 1/4 of the air. That is A2. So what you should consider, the amount of A is, you can have, this will be X minus 1/4 of X is removed, isn't it? So 1/4 of the X is removed means what you will get? You take. So let me take LCM is 4. So 4 into X, 4X minus X. You will get 3X by 4. Okay. Again, the amount of air present in the cylinder after removing again 1/4 of the air. That is third we are removing. First it is contains A, then we are removing this. Afterwards again we are going to remove. So what is left? Yes. 3 by 4x. In that we are going to remove 1 by 4x. Isn't it? So if I remove 1 by 4x, what happens? 1 by 4x means here 1 by 4 of, yes, 3x. So 1/4 of remaining. So 1/4 of remaining is 3x by 4. So you can say this as 3 by 4x minus 3x by 16. 3 by 4x minus 3x by 16. So what you will get? Take LCM now. So when you take LCM as 16, 4 4s are 16. So 3 4s are 12x minus 3x. What is 12x minus 3x? 9x. 9x by 16. 9x by 16. Isn't it? So I will have 9x by 16. So now I got the first thing, it is x. Afterwards it is 3x by 4. Then it is 9x by 16. So I will have the sequences x, 3x by 4, 9x by 16. So this you can also write it as 3 by 4 into x. 3 squared by 4 squared, isn't it? So I can write 3 by 4 the whole square of x. 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16. So when you see this, you can know that the difference is not constant because it is 3 by 4 the whole square. Here 3 by 4x minus x will give minus. No, it is not constant. So here you can say the D is common difference is not constant. Therefore, it is not in AP. The given sum is not in AP. Okay. Understand it properly. Okay. Then only you can do it on your own. The cost of digging. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging. When it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and raises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. Okay. So it is given the cost of digging a well. So he has considered the well. Okay. So you can consider the well. Okay. So when he digs the well, every meter of digging, when it cost rupees 150 for the first meter. So while digging the well the first time, so you can write cost of digging the well. For first meter. For the first meter. First meter it is rupees 15. First meter it is rupees 15. Then cost of digging a well raises by rupees 50 for the subsequent meter. So for the second meter, so in the subsequent meter means in the next meter, it will be raises. So you should add. So it is 150 not 15. So 150 plus, it raises by rupees 50, isn't it? It raises by rupees 50 in subsequent. So what it will become? Rupees 200. Okay. Again, cost of digging a well for the third meter. For the third meter. So first it will be 200 for second meter, and again in subsequent meter A2, A3 and A4. So what is the difference? A2 minus A1. Yes, the difference is 200 minus 1. Again, consider A3 minus A2. So 250 minus 200. Again it is 50. Then A4 minus A3. 300 minus 250. That is 50. So now the difference is constant. Okay, the difference is constant, which is equal to 50 rupees. So therefore, the given sequence is in AP. Okay, understood? The given sequence is in AP. See, here the amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 is deposited at compound interest. So, in the earlier classes you learned compound interest, but you might have forgotten. So, the formula for compound interest is the principal 1 plus 1 by 100 the whole to the power of n. Isn't it 1 plus r by 100 the whole to the power of n, where r is the rate of interest. You can say r is the rate of interest and n is number of years, I can say. So, the compound interest is p into 1 plus r by 100 the whole to the power of n, where p is the amount deposited and r is the rate of compound interest per annum for n years. Okay, n is n years, rate of interest for n years. Okay, so every year the money will be. So here he has given the amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 is deposited. So I can consider the amount deposited P is 10,000. So compound interest, so P is 10,000 and compound interest at the rate of 8% per annum. So every year it is 8%. So let me consider the compound interest for first year. So initially it is P is 10,000. Afterwards the compound interest is 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100, the whole to the power of 1. That is first year, isn't it? 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100, the whole to the power of 1. Then, in the second year, it is 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100, the whole square. Second year it is. Okay. So now you can do by year itself, you can see. First it was 10,000. After the compound interest, it is 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100. So again you must take the LCM and you can do it. In the second year it is 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 the whole square. So every year it equals means the sequences. I can write the sequence. So what is the sequence now? First it will be 10,000. After it will be, first year it will be 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 the whole to the power of 1. Then 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 the whole square. Again it will go on like that, 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 the whole cube. It goes on after every year. So if you see it itself, it says it is not in AP, isn't it? Because in the second sum we have seen, it is 3 by 4, 9 by 16, it is square of 3 by 4. Similarly here also 1 plus 8 by 100 to the power of 1 and 1 plus 8 by 100 the whole square, again 1 plus 8 by 100 the whole cube. So you can say the difference is not same. Therefore, the given sequence is not in AP. Because you must take LCM and see it, okay? 10,000 into, so I must write 10,000 into, I must take LCM 100, 100 plus 8, that is 108 by 100. Again here, 108 by 100 the whole square. Again 100, that means it differs by naught, isn't it? So the difference is not same, so the given sequence is not in AP. Hope you have understood this. Let me continue in the next class, okay? Please write all the notes sent by me in your maths notebook. We will call you as soon as possible to get the notebook corrected. Thank you students. Take care of your health.